Namaste. Subscribe and press the bell icon for daily yoga practice videos.
Namaste everyone. Welcome to 30 minutes of power yoga session. So let's begin. You can practice along with me. We will start with centering practice. Sit in chin mudra, that is tip of your index finger and tip of your thumb touching each other. Sit comfortably in cross-leg position and keep your back straight, neck straight, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. And start to breathe deep and long. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out completely. Inhale and exhale. Prepare yourself for the practice. Prepare your mind and body. Bring yourself to the mat. Just focus on your breath completely. Throughout the practice, try to breathe deep and long. Do not hold the breath at any point of time. And follow the postures correctly. With that in mind, let's begin with 3 Om chanting. Chant along with me if you are comfortable. Take a deep breath in. Inhale again. One more time. Gently rub your palms together. Then just and place it on your eyes. Cup it to your eyes. Give the warmth. And slowly bring your palms away from your face. Look at your palms with a smile. Let's begin. So first we will begin with Bhastrika Pranayam. How Bhastrika is done? So you will do forceful inhalations and forceful exhalations. When you inhale, your arms will be up. When you exhale, you will make a tight fist and bring your arms closer to your body. So let's practice along. Three, two, one. Relax. We will do one more round, around 15 pumps. Take a moment and start. Relax. Next we will move into warm-up practice. So for today's warm-up, we will come into a downward facing dog. From here, if you are beginner or if you are doing it for the first time, you will come one step at a time, bringing your foot outside your palm, then bringing the other foot and sit back and slowly go back to Parvatasana once again. If you are a regular practitioner, follow with me, look forward, bend your knees, jump forward outside your palm and sit in Malasana. Go back, 2, jump forward, go back, look forward, 3, Inhale. 4, 5. Let's do 5 more. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9. And for the last one, we will hold the posture here. Sit in Malasana. Keep your elbows pressing your knees and try to straighten your back. Look forward. Stay here for a while. And then slowly drop your palms, drop your knees, and let's do Marjari Asana. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, pull your chest away. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then come into downward dog once again and start to walk forward. Come till your foot front of the mat, top of the mat. And let's begin Surya Namaskars. So for Ashtanga, be Surya Namaskars. Keep your feet together. Bring your body straight. Take a moment. Prepare yourself. Let's begin. First round. If you have never done this, look at me for the first round and next 3 rounds. Do it along with me. Inhale, Utkatasana, sit in a chair pose. Exhale, full fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, half fold, fingertips on the mat or on your shin bone, look forward. Ardha Utthana, palms on the mat, either jump or walk back to half push-up, Chaturanga. Inhale, slide up, knees and thighs off, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha, down dog. Inhale, right leg forward in between your palms, back leg dropped. And then come to Veerbhadrasana 1. Palms again on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg forward, drop the back leg, Veerbhadrasana, palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, and stay here for 3 breaths. 3, just relax here, 2, 1, look forward, bend your knees, jump or walk forward to Ardha Utthana, Uttanasana, and then Utkatasana, release. So join me from the second round now. Inhale, exhale, Utthana, Ardha Utthana, inhale, exhale and jump back to Chaturanga, up dog, down dog. Inhale, right leg forward, palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg forward, Veerbhadrasana 1, Take the leg back, chaturanga, up dog, down dog, and stay for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Look forward, bend your knees, jump forward to Ardha Utthana, Uttanasana, chair pose, exhale, release. Third round, we'll do 2 more. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, jump and walk back to Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana. Palms on the mat. Take the leg back. Chaturanga. Up dog, down dog, left leg forward, Virabhadrasana 1, palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, and stay. Look forward, bend your knees. Jump forward, half fold, fold completely, Utkatasana, relax, last round, inhale, exhale, inhale, half fold, palms on the mat, jump to Chaturanga, up dog, down dog, right leg forward, Virabhadrasana, palms on the mat, take the leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg forward between your palms, come up to Virabhadrasana, palms on the mat, leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Stay here for 3 breaths. Relax yourself. Look forward. Jump forward. Ardha Utthana, Uttanasana, Utkatasana. Release. Take a moment. Take a sip of water if you need, and then come back. We will move into asana practice. Before that, if you want to relax, simply sit down and relax, or you can sit in Malasana and relax. This also gives you very calming feeling. Just slow down your breath, relax for a while, and then we will move into standing asana posture. From here, you will stand up. Let's begin with Kali asana. So you will keep your feet at a medium stance or 3 feet apart. Both your toes are facing outward. After that, what you have to do is, you will practice along with me this one. Bend your knees. Try to bring your thighs parallel to the ground, hips down, and then stay here. You might feel the burn in the thighs, but that's worth it. Let's hold it for 10 seconds, 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. We'll do the side twist in Kali asana now. Once again, drop your hips down. Take your right elbow, place it on the right thigh, and left arm up, close to your ear. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing on the opposite side. Left elbow on the left thigh. 5, 4, 2, 1. Come up. important is you can increase the distance even more. We'll do forward foldings. Both your toes facing outside. Your hips and body straight. What you have to do is, you don't have to arch your back and come forward. You have to just push your hips back. I'll show you from the sides. You are here. You are not doing this. You will simply keep your hands on your hips. You will push your hips back. Come straight. Come down as much as you can. And then drop your palms on the mat. How it looks from the front, I'll show it once again. Both your feet at a nice distance, comfortable distance. Foot facing inward. Palms on the waist. Push your hips back. Fold forward. Prasarita Paduttanasana. Try to bring your head to the mat. Put your body weight forward on your toes. You can keep your palms on the mat and stay here for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8. Try to keep your knees straight all the time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly look up. Place your left palm in the center and then twist towards the right arm up and look towards your right arm. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the hands. Right hand on the mat, left hand up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly both palms down. Take the support and simply come up. Slowly bring your feet together. Shake your legs. And then prepare for seated asana. First, what we will do is, we will keep your left leg straight in front of you. Right foot, you will take it from the outside and bend it. Now you can see it's bent outside. You are not sitting on it. It's slightly outside. If this is not comfortable for you, you can simply place your foot over here. So let's practice single leg Paschimottanasana. Inhale. With an exhalation, fold forward. Wherever you reach on your toes or feet, hold your leg wherever you can and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch your arms. Come up. Release. Now from here, just open your left leg only towards the outside and right leg, you will bring it inside. Let's do Janu Sirsasana. You will take your left hand. Try to place the elbow of the left hand on the mat and turn your palm inside. Hold your foot and then look up. Open your chest up as much as you can towards the ceiling. It's a nice heart opening posture. Your arm either here. If you are more flexible, you can hold your left foot and look up. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply release the posture. Release the leg. You can switch the leg. Bend your left leg. Same thing we will repeat on the other side. Take the arms up. Inhale. With an exhalation, fold forward and hold your legs wherever possible. If you are crossing your foot, catch hold of your wrist with the other hand. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up and release. Now, same thing, Janu Sirsasana on the other side. Open your right leg out, left leg in. Take the right hand, grab your right foot and then twist over, stay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come back, release. Now bring the soles of your foot together. We will do butterfly for a few times and then folding in the butterfly. You'll hold, interlock your hands, hold your foot, keep your back straight and start to flip your knees up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep a nice smile on your face. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your foot one step forward, back straight, elbows out and fold forward as much as you can. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Now open both your foot out so you can increase the distance which is comfortable for you. We need to do the forward fold. Konasana. Place your palms forward first, toes will be towards you, keep them active. Now start to walk your palms forward, go as much as you can. First try to touch your elbow to the mat or the floor and then try to touch your chest. If that's also comfortable, touch your forehead on the mat and stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk your hands back, bring your feet together and then shake your legs. Very nice. Now slowly you will lie down on your abdomen, both toes together. We will relax for a while in Makarasana. Place your palms one over the other. Play the cheek on the palm and stay for 5 breaths. Just relax. For the next practice, you will do Dhanurasana. You will bend your knees, place your forehead first on the mat. Hold your right ankle with the right hand, left ankle with the left hand, and then slowly head up, chest up, knees and thighs off the mat and stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands, drop your legs. Relax for 3 breaths. Now slowly place your palms close to your shoulders. Place your forehead on the mat, feet together, thighs and knees together. Lift your head up, chest up. Don't open your elbows completely, keep them bent and close to your body. Arch your back to Bhujangasana. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your hips back and sit in child's pose. Relax. 3, 2, and 1. From here, come over your knees. Stand on your knees now. You can keep your toes tucked if you are beginner. You can keep your toes flat if you are intermediate practitioner. And then we will do camel pose, Ustrasana. So you will take your right hand back, hold your heel on your ankle, take the left hand back, hold your leg. You can also, if you are flexible, place your palms on your foot and push your chest out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Then turn towards the side. Stay on your left knee. Open your right foot out. We will do Parivrasana. What you'll do is your torso will be facing forward. You'll take your left arm up, slide to your right leg, look up, stay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch. Same thing, repeat on the other side. Stay, look up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and simply sit back and lie down. We will do simple lying down asanas and then relaxing Shavasana. You will lie down on your mat. Let's do bridge pose. For the bridge pose, bend your knees, heels closer to your hips, palms on the mat, and then inhale, lift your hips up, chest up, and stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. One more time we will do. Take a deep breath in and lift your hips up, chest up, stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop them. Let's try wheel pose or chakrasana. So your heels will remain same. If you are not comfortable to attempt it, keep doing bridge pose again. If those of you comfortable, follow along with me. Take your palms and place them such that fingers facing your shoulders, closer to your shoulders. Now with an inhalation, lift your hips up, chest up, and then try to keep your elbows straight and stay. 10, 9, you can try several times. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your head, drop your legs, hug your knees to your chest for counter pose, and then stay here. Release and relax. You can try this for several times. It will come. Now place both your palms or the hands on either side of your shoulders. We will do lying down twist, Jatara Parivartanasana. Lift your legs up, bend your knees, drop both your knees to the right and look towards your left hand completely. Try to keep both your shoulders on the mat so you will have a nice twist. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the sides, both the knees to the left, head to the right. Try to keep both your shoulders on the mat. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can simply release your legs, release your hands, adjust yourself, feet apart, hands apart, fingers naturally curled. Start to breathe in deep and long like we were doing in the starting. Surrender yourself to the mat and relax with the auto suggestions. Inhale. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles, knees. Relaxing your thighs. Relax your hips. Relaxing the lower back, mid back, upper back, Relax your fingers, wrists, forearm, elbows. Relax your upper arms, shoulders, relaxing your neck, head, forehead, eyes, nose, ears. Scan your body from top to toe and from toe to top. Just observe your body is now completely relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Stay in silence for a while. Gently move your toes, move your fingers, bring your foot together, both the feet together. Interlock your hands over your head and stretch yourself nicely. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale and release. Take a turn to one side. Slowly take the support of your palms. Sit back, sit in comfortable cross-leg posture with the eyes closed. We will end the session with final prayer, Mahamrityunjay mantra. Join your palms together. If you are comfortable, chant along with me. Inhale. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Gently rub your palms together, generate some heat, cup it to your eyes, feel the warmth. And then slowly once again rub your palms together, place it on your heart center. And gently bring your palms away from your face, blink open your eyes with a beautiful smile and have a great day. Thank you. Keep practicing.